Look at how this came in the mail. I thought this was so cute, packaged so cute. I am excited. EmperorsHome.com, they use Egyptian cotton on their duvet cover sets. So what I'm going to do in this video is do a comparison to Emperor's Home duvet cover to the one that I already purchased on Amazon. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to get it ironed up and get it all ready and fixed up to go on my bed. Now look at the details on these pillowcases. They are absolutely beautiful. They really look hand-stitched. The embroidery right in the center, a big emblem in the center of the pillowcases, is absolutely beautiful. It's very high quality. The material feels like silk, if I had to describe it, like thick silk. Absolutely beautiful. I'm excited to see how this is going to look on my bed. If you want that royal look without that expensive price, I absolutely recommend you checking out EmperorsHome.com. I will have the link in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I'm only using one pillow right here for the pillowcases, but I later added an additional really thick pillow to both pillowcases. I liked the way it looked. It looked very full and really filled it out a whole lot better. And you will see the look of two pillows inside of the pillowcases later on in the video. So this actually came with a loose sheet for the bed, and it came with the duvet cover and the two pillowcases. So after I pulled it out of the case, I just wanted to knock a few wrinkles out using my steamer, and I do recommend using that. It didn't take long to knock those few wrinkles out at all. Emperor's Home really made sure they included details all the way down to the bottom right corner of this duvet cover set with the emblem right there at the bottom. I thought that was so beautiful, and I loved that extra little touch as well. Alright, do you guys love it as much as I do? I thought this was so pretty. I love the way it turned out. It is very elegant. The material, it feels like a silk, if I have to describe it. There's actually no comparison to this cover from the one that I purchased off of Amazon. There's absolutely no comparison. This by far is a big upgrade. The material is absolutely soft. I'm gonna say it feels silk-like. It's like a silk material. That Egyptian cotton, high quality for sure, that they use. I love the look. You have an emblem at the bottom of the bed in the corner, and I love the big emblems in the middle of the pillows as well. Absolutely pretty. I feel like a queen getting in this bed. You guys have to check out EmperorsHome.com. I promise you, you will not regret it, and I'm sure you're going to pick up one. And if you do, let me know in the comment section and let me know what